Welcome to the EdbMails IMAP to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails IMAP migration software lets you easily migrate IMAP mailboxes to Office 365. Whether you're migrating from Gmail, Yahoo, Zoho, Zimbra, Icewarp, cPanel, GoDaddy, Rackspace, or any other IMAP server, EdbMails guarantees a secure and seamless migration. It preserves your emails, folder structure, attachments, and metadata while ensuring complete data integrity and compatibility with Office 365. EdbMails simplifies the IMAP to Office 365 migration process with an intuitive interface and advanced features. Benefit from high-speed concurrent migrations, automatic mailbox creation on target Office 365, precise automatic mailbox mapping, and incremental migration and more. Its advanced filtering options allow you to transfer only the data you need, ensuring an efficient and stress-free migration experience. Now, let's explore the step-by-step process for migrating IMAP mailboxes to Office 365 using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select IMAP Migration. Select IMAP to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. To connect a single user account, select Single User Account Migration. Select Multiple Users Accounts Migration to connect multiple accounts. Click Next to continue. Click the Select Host Name button. Select the appropriate host name for your source IMAP server. Click Continue. Enter the email address and password. If you're connecting to Gmail account, create app password and use it here. Click Login to continue. Verify the loaded mailbox. Click Next to continue. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailbox's folders you want to migrate from the source IMAP server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required migration operations. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free IMAP to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.